I'm Lily and Isabella, and today I'm going to do clay, and I'm going to be testing this kit out. So this kit has really stuff simple. It's got clay, it's got, I think, plastic sheets to because as I got it from the charity shop, I saw this, so it might to keep the spare clay. I don't know. And some tools. Now it's not. And remember Tom? Remember this guy? Tom. Well, Tom is not going to be replaced. Tom is going to have a friend. So, first of all, we need to sketch it out. So I'll move that and get my colours ready. Well, I'm not really going to do all the colouring because it's simple. You all know what the colours are. So first I'm thinking to do a ghost. So I'm making a simple ghost shape with that. Now I'm going to make some simple round eyes. With a tiny smile. Now this looks kind of creepy, but it won't after I do. Where is it? And I've lost it. I was going to put some nice white pupils, but I guess I can't do that. So I'm thinking this to have a pumpkin on his head. Even though it's winter, I kind of love pumpkins. But I just love pumpkins. But for the stem, I'm thinking to either use that or this. But I think I'm going to use that because it's green. And I think it's done. Maybe a little hands here. Yeah, it's done. So yeah, we've done our sketch. Let's get the clay out. So, I would need white. Is that white? Yeah, this is white. This is white. We need black. And we need orange. So, put that aside. Oh, and a green, just in case. So, I'm going to open my clay. Ooh. No, it's the wrong clay. Damn it. I need to do this quickly. Let's just keep it like that. This is air dry clay. So I need to do this quickly because I've already opened the wrong packet. So I've got this. Smooth it out a little. Get all that air bubbles out. Now that, I need to shape it to my ghost. I advise you have a table to do this. So first, make a circle. Like that. I guess like this. And then just smooth it out like that. And then just build it up at the top, I guess. I think I'm just going to do it like this. Where's my tools? I just realised, where are my tools? Oh, I need some of them. Where are my pink tools? That's all my fault. I've just lost them. No! Oh, found them. I didn't do them. I found them. I need my tools. With this, I'm going to smoothen this out. Kind of. No, use this. So I need to do this really quickly. And now I've just kind of made it into this. And then use this at the top. Then just squash it. Squash it. I need to smooth this out. taking a while just to mold it out. This is taking 6 minutes. Okay, right. Now, so this is going to be a ghost, but the ghost is going to be an alien ghost, technically. So, smooth that out. And then, with my black... No, first I'm going to open this out. Oh, it's wet. How's it wet? First you need to squeeze it to get all the air bubbles out. I need to make this... Still not happy with the shape. Yeah. This is my shape now. It's kind of bent backwards. Yeah, that's fine. So I need to squeeze it. I need to... rip it again. Use this. So you kind of make it into... I didn't finish my sentence, but now for the rest of the clay, I need to put it in this bag. This bag, because I've used it and you don't want that to dry, so you can use it again. So, stuff that in there. And then, there you go. Here, I've put it in. Now this, kind of make it into a pumpkin shape. But how do you make a pumpkin shape? So, I guess you just, like, roll it into a ball and then squash it on your table. And that is way too big. Ugh. This is not going very well. I just have to keep molding. Still. Like this. And then flatten it out on the table. Like that, I guess. Right, now with your pumpkin, I get what this is for. It's not for smoothing out, to make lines. Make your lines. This is, I'm not very good at this, so don't blame me. This kit is very good. It's just me. Guys, okay, it's just me. So I've made this. Now I need to put this in. Move that. We could do it like that. Let's try the other one. Let's just use the green. No, I'm gonna. So, stuff in. And now all the lines are gone. Okay, make the lines again. If you're doing this, please put the stem in the pumpkin before you do the lines. Because that means you have to redo the lines again. And then again, and then again, and then again. Then again. Right, anyway, so I've made my pumpkin. Now to stick it on his head. Make it fit right. Okay, it's working in progress. Okay, so here's what I've made. Right, now I need to get out the black. Wait, should I just use one of these? Yes, I'm gonna use one of these. Right, let's get the very tiny eyes, just to match with Tom. There, Tom's right there. See, here. Let's see. You can make the eyes with this, but I would rather do it with these. these because these are perfect. But you do need to make the mouth, but then it anyway. So I am using these sticking. Ooh, the other one sticking. Ooh. So I am not an expert at doing this, but this is what it looks like. Now I need to break open the black. Get one of these shrivelly things. Black. Get like a chunk out. Okay, just open everything full of black and just like put it in your container. This is taking time. Yeah, so first of all you need to roll this up and get all the air bubbles out. Then you need to flatten it, just like that. And if you need to flatten it, use this tool, like that. Press hard. It works. Now, smooth that out with your smoothing tool, this, I guess. I'm not an expert at doing this, so please don't judge me. So this might, if you're good at clay, this might be the good one for you. Right, then use this tip for this one, this tip, to like do the smile. No, I just made it wrong. Now, if you make a mistake, just flatten it out again. Now I can see why clay people don't buy children's things. Right, then cut out the smile. Or you just do it the easy way by making one, taking a chunk and rolling it up. So, alright, let me explain. First, you take a chunk, you flatten it out, and then you take a chunk out, and then you roll it into you finish into that, and then you cut it with your cutting tool. And then you roll it out again. And then you make a smile. And then you cut the smile to where you want it. And I like that. And then you just... That's way too big. Fat, and ugly. Well, not ugly, fat mouth. And then I just stick it on there. Then you put your extra clay inside your black. And close up again. I'm telling every little detail. And then you finished. Do you like it? Let's call her You don't deserve the name Pumpkin. I mean, like, it's not your fault, it's all my fault. I mean, I quite like him. I quite like him. So, oh yeah, and take this bit and put it back. I mean, I quite like him, but it's kind of like Tom when I first created him, but I like him more. So Tom cannot be disrespected. Neither can Shifu. So let's call him Moldy. His name is Moldy. Anyway, bye. Wait. Stay there. Don't go. Let's see the meeting.
Oh, hi. My name is, I forgot my name. Moldy.
Well, I guess Tom has no words. Anyway, bye.